Hey growers, I'm Dylan, and welcome back to Grow Closet. So today we're going to be featuring Athena's Balance. So this product is geared for growers who are utilizing RO water because RO water strips everything away. So this gives it a little bit more ability to buffer as well as raises your pH. And if you're going to use Balance with the rest of the Athena line, before you mix your res, you're going to want to throw this in first before any other nutrients go into that res. So clean water, res, the rest of the line in whatever stage you're at. So let's go ahead and dive in. So this product is pretty straightforward. It's derived from potassium silicate, and the good thing about potassium silicate, or silicon rather, is that it will strengthen your plant cell walls as well as help with nutrient retention and also help with the amount of water usage that you are utilizing for your cannabis crops or honestly whichever crops you're growing. So very straightforward product. It's designed to be much more bang for your buck, just like the rest of their line. Very cost effective and affordable, compared to other products on the market. So this product and many more just like it are available at monstergardens.com or come on into our Sonoma County store. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button for us, and if you have any products that you'd like us to feature on Grow Closet, go ahead and comment down below.